he sure as hell didn't want to talk to my ass. Let me just keep moving. And so I just did this and smiled, and I'm just like, let me keep moving. And he's like, wait.
I have a question. This is kind of weird, but I'm a photographer and I take photos of like random couples that I think are cute. Would you guys want a few free photos? They're like totally free. I'll send them all to you. You just have to be okay if I put them on social media, if that's okay with you guys. Actually, oh my gosh, amazing. Okay, what are your guys' names?
I'm Donna.
Donna. Jeffrey. I'm Tori. Nice to meet you guys. I think you guys look really cute just right here. Are you okay? Take some right here. Okay, yeah, go ahead and hide your phones and everything. I like the bag though. If you want to leave the bag on, I think it's cool.
And I used to come right here all the time and sit by myself.
Now you can sit with him.
Now I can sit with Jeffrey.
That's so cute. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. How'd you meet?
So we were both at the coffee shop, saw her, and so go, hello, ma'am, and then just kind of went on my way. I didn't know if she was with someone.
So that's his gentle version.
That's his version.
That's his version. But yeah, I was in line in the coffee shop, and I was just in my own little world, and all of a sudden I hear this, hello, ma'am. And I look up and I go, oh, hello. And then before anything else, he just disappeared. And I said, I was like, what the hell? And I was so bothered. And I'm standing in line and I'm like, that hello was so intentional. Like, why did he even bother saying hello and then just leave? Didn't carry on anything else. So I was like, what the hell?
You made him nervous. I kind of want you to just like hold hands and look at each other, or just whatever you would normally do. You made him nervous.
And so I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna get my coffee. I'm gonna get my coffee and my pastry, and I'm gonna walk to the park.
I was on my way to walk into the park. I like to walk into the park. It's beautiful.
So I came to the park and had my coffee and my pastry and kind of sat outside the exterior of the park.
On the way out, I see her on the bridge on Laurel Street, walking in.
Only your love, only your love.
So I'm walking on the bridge coming into the park. Jeffrey is walking out of the park, and we're on opposite sides.
Were you looking for him at this point?
No. At this point, I had forgot about him. And so then when I looked up, I saw him and I was like, oh, there's the guy at the coffee shop. And then I go, he sure as hell didn't want to talk to my ass. Let me just keep moving. And so I just did this and smiled, and I'm just like, let me keep moving. And he's like, wait. And I'm like, oh. And so he's like waiting for the traffic, so he could cross the street. And then he introduced himself, and then we started talking. And then he asked me out, like, for the next day. And then he said, right away.
I may never make it out.
And that was nice. And then he asked me out for Valentine's Day, which was like a week later.
Yeah.
And
was
then
that this year?
This year,
Oh,
yeah.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
And then we've been together since, like, literally every day, hour, every day. Every day, every hour, yeah.
I love that.
And I'm like,
got a
oh,
second chance.
oh.
Was that this year?
This year,
Oh,
yeah.
that's awesome.
And then we've been together since, like, literally every day,
hour, every day.
Every day, every hour, yeah.
I
Pretty
love
much.
that. Do you
Yeah.
guys live near here?
We do, just a few blocks away.
That's so fun.
Yeah.
Do you come to the park a lot?
We do.
And
so
the
fun.
funny thing is that we've been living like 3 blocks from each other for the last 2 weeks.
Oh, you hadn't. Oh, that's so fun.
Never ran into each other. I always walk in the park. She does. Yeah.
It was just time. It was the right time.
And I used to come right here
Oh, that's
all the time and sit by myself.
Now you can sit with
and
him.
now I can sit with Jeffrey.
so cute.
Yeah.
Well, so nice to meet you guys. Thanks for trusting a stranger. I'll send you these if you need them.
Yeah.
You guys are so cute.
Only your love.